Hello guys, welcome to Gallant Tech. Today we're doing a hands-on review of Samsung S20 Ultra 5G. As you look into the video, the phone size is much bigger than the iPhone 10 and all the variants of the S20 in the market. This is the biggest phone, which has a 6.9 inches of the display, which is 2K, dynamic AMOLED, Quad HD+. Watching videos and playing games on this phone is another level experience. Talking about the dimensions, the height is 166.9mm with a width of 76mm, has a depth of 8.8mm. It's a pretty heavy phone of 220 grams, unlike S20 Plus, which weighs just 186 grams. It has a battery of 5000 mAh, which comes with the 128 GB of internal storage, surely expandable with the external memory card, and it has a RAM of 12 gigabytes, which goes up to 16 gigabytes on the higher models. Built on the Snapdragon 865 and runs on Android 10. The body is made of glass and metal, comes in two colors, which is black and gray. Samsung says the Cosmic Black and the Cosmic Gray. It has a refresh rate of 120, which can be used only on full HD mode. When you have to shift the screen resolution to the wide Quad HD and you go apply, it gives a pop-up message saying the refresh rate is not supported. So either you can have 120 or you can have wide Quad HD at once. You can't have both running at the same time. This phone has a volume rocker and we have a power button. And there is no headphone jack here. That's coming standard in all these smartphones now. It has the stereo speakers, and it charges with Type-C adapter, and the earphones can be used from the Type-C adapter. Let's talk about the main feature of the phone, the biggest camera ever seen on a smartphone. It has a 108 megapixel of main camera, which is wide angle. Top left has the 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and it has a 100x zoom. You might need a tripod to shoot a very steady image when you expand the zoom up to 100x. Front camera is a single notch in the center, which gives you a 40 megapixel of quality. The rear camera has an option of single take feature, which shoots video and pictures together, which uses the AI feature. They have a night lapse which has been introduced to the phone. That's all the features about the phone. Tell me what you feel about this phone, and do subscribe for the upcoming videos. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and stay safe.